pa siya established eh. Kaya nakapasok yung bola.
For USC, this is championship point. FPU, can they still survive this? Crazy place. Going for that attack. Let's see, that's 1, 2! Deliver it! My goodness!
Wow, USC, no losses. Clean sweep. They really insist that they follow their coaches. And they just, made ko ano yung ginawa nila sa training nila.
Di pa yata tapos eh.
Hindi pa ba? There's a challenge!
Wow! Lumipad ko yung mga confetti.
Net touch!
Si Coach Kofi.
Ay, parang sila
Pinipilihan sila ni Coach Tina. Talaga, binitin mo pa kami?
Sila na sabi ko, challenge ka pa!
Pero for all it's worth, what we have witnessed here, grabe, hanggang dulo ito eh.
Meron nga bang net catch? Si Carvalho? Wala.
Wala.
Oh, itong pababa. Ayun! Oh, ayun! Meron! Oh! There!
Oh my! It turned out we had to be a championship.
It seems like her left hand hit the bottom tape. There, it hit the bottom tape of the net.
A few moments later.
I'm so sorry.
That's what we have seen from them.
Ayan, so tumutulong na ang FEU players na kunin yung confetti
As
sa
they
floor.
believe, hindi pa tapos.